First, make sure your clips are slowed like this. Then follow the steps closely. Now follow every step you see I do here. Make sure this is at 5 seconds. Now follow the same step here. Now here you're going to add keyframes at the first and end of the clips. Then go to Transform and follow the steps. Then click on Graph. Select Cubic Out. Do the same for the next clip. Now you're going to export the clips one by one. Now delete the clips here and add the one you export. These are my clips that I export. Now duplicate the clips and add reverse to them. Now you're going to speed up the clips. Do the same here. Now click on Effects and find the Zoom Lens effect. Follow every steps you see I do here. Now export it to see result. Hope this helped you guys. And thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Thanks y'all for the support.